Ladies, gentlemen, and you beautiful in-betweens, hello and welcome to Craftomation 101. I'm Calmputer, and this is a game about programming, automation, robots, and base building. It is out in early access right now, and the developers, Luden.io, have what appears to be a pretty sturdy roadmap to travel on. If this game seems interesting to you, there's a link in the description, but without further ado, let's begin a new game. There we go. Just landing right now. Thawing things out, except not our ship. We're still frozen, even though we just re-entered atmosphere, which tends to be kind of warm. But oh well. We have a tutorial up here. We need to mine 2 stone, and a highlight for where the stone is, which is nice. There. Hello, thank you. And then we combine them into a spark, and then we take coal and drag that into the spark to create fire. And then we drag that to our ship. For a reward, a bonfire. And it helps tell you how much it will thaw out. But it won't until it's, burning. And then here we can see how, if you somehow forgot how to make fire, we can see it up here, or we can go into the objects wiki and find it here as well. We need coal, spark, and the spark needs stone. We also have some things that we don't know how to create yet. Well, that it hasn't told us how to create yet, but we'll get there. So 2 stone, spark, fire, there. And that's going to burn out pretty quickly, but as a reward for doing that, we get a body and a head. But we need to assemble them to create a Craftomate. Hello. And before we can use him or her, we need to combine a stone and coal to create coal brick and then feed it to them. There we go. Now, follow on-screen highlights to create your first program. We can skip this. I'm gonna do this for a bit, though, because we need this thing burning. And then I'm gonna pause. So, click on Juge the Com. Oh, that's rather fitting. And then here to show hide the editor. And this is where you program your little Craftomate. And they want us to find and pick stone, then find and pick stone again, then combine them, then find and pick probably coal, yes, and then combine that, and then drop to, and then you click here and select where you want it to drop, and it can be anywhere in the map. So there, 16 by 6, but also if we wait a little bit, notice that this is no longer highlighted, but if we highlight this, it will highlight where it's pointing to. And then we need to go to idle, and idle is over here, and then it just repeats the entire sequence over and over and over again. And then we execute a program, which we do once the game is actually playing. You can see spark, and then smash into fire. And there you go. It'll keep doing this until it runs out of energy. And we can see the energy is 60, 59, 58, 57. So it disappears rather quickly. But we can just let that be for now. And pause. Because we need to create clay bricks, which we do by combining soil, that's soil, and stone. And we get soil from this fellow here. And then combine them into clay bricks. And then we need to craft a bonfire. And it's a little confusing that this, the icon to the right here isn't actually the icon that is there, but you can kind of guess what it means, I suppose. But clay brick and coal, and take that coal, and turn it into another bonfire. And then I'm going to put that there. that up. And we get another Craftomate, which is nice. Now, this guy... Hello? That was quick. Okay. Now, we can make something completely new here. And in fact, I think I will. Yeah, we need to gather 15 stone, and I'd like some help with that. And then we want to drop it right there. Pick up stone, drop it, and then back to idle. There, there, and I'm going to help. Also, be wary. Every once in a while, you're going to pick up something... Ah, right. Yes. They're not the smartest fellows, or rather, they are as smart as you make them. So, he finds a stone, and then drops it here, and then goes back to finding a stone, which is the one he just dropped. So, we want to tell him to go somewhere else. And then... So, we want him to go over here. So that the next stone he finds is the one over here, and not the one that we want to get into the center. There. Good. But as I was saying, every once in a while you're going to pick up something important. Let's say this is another Craftomate, and you accidentally drop it on Juge the Calm. Well, he's going to eat it, and there's nothing you can do to stop him from doing that. If you drop it on him. There, eat that, please, before you shut it down. And also eat that, too. Thank you. There. And then we're gonna... Okay, fine. Just gonna pretend that I'm helping. It is entirely... Oh, that's done then. Oh, and that means you can stop doing what you're doing. And instead, not do that. I think you want to feed this bonfire. So we're going to combine those there, and then combine stone. And then find and pick some coal, and then combine those. And then drop to, and then we click there, and then click there. And that's going to work out fine, I think. Until you run out of energy. Which means we need to feed you a little bit. Also, we can do this. But we got a third mate here, which is nice. Quip the Goofy. I love these names. Now, follow on-screen highlights to get your first upgrade. And that means they want me to click here. And now we can tell them to eat. Which is pretty impressive, but... I kind of want this one first before I program them to start eating things. This one will let you check if their battery is below 15 and then have them eat. So that's nice. Also, yes, good. Hello, did you? Ah, yes, because I changed his program. He's now stuck because he doesn't actually hold anything, but I'm telling him to combine the things he's not holding. So to fix that, reset the program and then re-execute. You, on the other hand, we need 5 sparks, which is easy enough to make. Combine and drop and then to idle. So stone, stone, drop right there. And then to idle. Good, and I'm gonna create some energy for you. And then some energy for you. That's one. I'm gonna pretend like I'm helping. Sorry about that. And he's going to get to do the last one, I think. And I'm going to make... no, that's not the one yet. There. Then there. And I'm going to put that there. Because next up, we need iron. And it's right over there. But it's very cold. Also, hello. You don't need to do that anymore. Instead, we're going to feed the bonfire I just made. And then drop. And yes. Good. Get a spark, combine, find and pick up that. Combine, drop to this bonfire. Should be fine. Good. Oh, and we got a new one. There. How many do we have? 8 and 4, and that's done. Very nice. And now we have iron as well. And we need to mine 2. There, and then combine it with fire to create steel. I'm going to steal that. Oh, hello. Thank you. And then make one more. Everyone's dying, though. Perhaps I should program you to eat. And wait, hold on. Yes, yes. We have one. And it's a little bit annoying that the game paused banner kind of hides this. But anyway, now we can check how our energy is doing, which is excellent. And I'm going to pause again. No, we can work through this, I think. We need 5 steel. Yeah, we'll wait for that. First off, we want an energy check. If everything is okay, you go to idle, but if it's low, it's below 15%, then I would like you to find and pick up. And we can do a trick here, actually, which will help later. Or will it? Yeah, it will. If it's low, you want to pick up some iron bricks. And then you want to eat that. And then you want to go to idle. However, if you cannot find that, on error, if you can't find any bricks, I want you to find stone instead, and then coal, and I want you to eat that instead. Oh, no. First you need to combine it, then eat. Also, it's not actually paused, right? There. However, I'm not sure if this is enough. No, I want you to eat twice, actually. Yeah, yep. So I'm gonna go like so, and also I'm gonna go like that instead. And then you're gonna do it again. Except, let's not worry about it. Okay, didn't get sent. Good. There, let's just make stone and coal and combine, and then eat that. There. This is something you can do, and it works, but since we don't have any coal bricks lying around, not yet anyway, we will soon, it's fine. There, I'm going to need to feed you by hand first. There, I'm going to do it a little bit more than that, actually. Good. Now, you, hello, who are you? Ooh, the strong. All right, sure. And I want you to find fire first, and then combine that like so. Not fire. You can actually take fire from just yeah. Let's be sloppy about this because we only need 5. So there. Find some fire. And then find some iron, and then don't drop it. Well, we're going to drop it later, so that's fine. Go like so, and then drop it there. And then energy check. And then to idle. Combine, eat. Idle, give me some stone, give me some coal, combine that, eat that, idle, should work. and execute. There. You're about to run out and you're making more fire. Your timing kind of sucks. 5, you're not... Oh no, that's not you, that's you. Why? Why? Hold on, what? No. Oh, never mind. I am just silly, but now we have storage boxes, which is nice. And it also tells you how to make them there. We need steel plate and a bubble, which is glass. And we can see that up here. Storage. Steel plate. We don't really know how to make glass, except it probably has to do with sand. And to make sand, we use soil and fire. We can do that. Right, I completely forgot that just because I didn't give you that either, okay. And you're making steel. You know what? Drop the steel here now instead. And then you're going to check if you're low, which you're not. Well, you need 7, okay. So, drop the steel here, and then make it again. We can't... Wait, hold on. No, wait. We have a point to use. So we can make functions. We can get variables. But variables don't really have a function right now without functions. But we can also check to compare stuff. I think functions are the key here. Now, functions are basically programs within the program. And we have them here as a separate tab. So we're gonna... You just click it to add it. But you can also click here to edit it, which is something you want. And this is now input and output. However, to actually do something with this, you need to go back to the main tab. And let's just start with the beginning. And let's create a function called eat. There. And to start this function, no, at the start of the function. That's how we phrase this. We check our energy, and if it's okay, we just continue. We just exit out of the function completely, because we don't need to do anything. If it is, however, low, then we find some bricks. And on error, sure, there. That, and then we eat that like so. Stop that. We find some bricks and then we eat them, and I think we want to do that twice actually. So we find another and then we eat that, and then we exit out. That. Nice and squiggly. However, if we cannot find any bricks, then we need to make them. Is easily done. And then, alright, there, you go over it like so. Stone, coal. So, just to reiterate, we check our energy. If it's low, we find some coal bricks. We eat them. And then we find some more coal bricks and eat them. However, if we cannot find any coal bricks, we get some stone, we get some coal, we combine them, and then we eat that. And then we do the same thing here. Later on, we will get the ability to repeat. And I think that's Smart, Find, and Pick, Basic Interactions, Directions, Counters. Yes. Repeat is here, repeat an action, but we don't have the ability to buy that yet, so that should be fine. And then we have you, so we can edit there, or we can just go here and edited here. But for now, let's add that, combine them, and then after we've combined them, we want to eat them. Like so, and like so. And that's a nice little... Oh, now we can skip that tutorial because I've basically done everything now. Skip tutorial. Yes, skip. Thank you. There. Now, though, that's the only thing you do. You only eat now, which isn't ideal. And we also need to tell everyone else to start eating. So let's right-click and drag to delete all of that. And then drag the function eat. And then we need to remember to put in idle again. And you're dropping all of those there. I guess that's fine for now. And, oh, right. That's a lot that you're doing right now. So let's just delete all of that and give you the eat function instead, which does the exact same thing, just tidier. There. We can also replace all of this with a function called, let's see, get fire. And that was very zoomed out. There. Find and pick, combine, find and pick, combine. And that will have you hold fire. I think that's fine. Stone, stone, coal, combine, and now you're holding fire. So we get all of that deleted, and then just get fire, and drop. Get fire, drop it off right there, then check if you need to eat, then eat, and then back. And, oh, wait, well, we can actually copy this, I think. Oh, that's you. Hey, the skinny... Yes. Just gonna copy you there. And have you go there instead. Ooh, the strong is making that, so hello. You're not doing anything. Oh, right, you. Juge the calm. Right, you copy there. And drop it there. That should be fine. You have 50, you have 18, you have 10. I would like you to have more. You have 25, you have 19, everything's fine. And there, reset, go, go, I said. You reset, go, and you are not doing anything except eating, which is fine, generally speaking, but I would like you to... Actually, no. I don't want you to create steel plates. Because to do that, we need to create a new... Let's make that here. No, there, I think. Yeah. We need to make another bonfire. Let's put that there. Yes. And you are going to feed it. That should be done. Good job. I'm just gonna speed things along. Oh, hello. Keck the silly. You. Yes, you, my dear. You need to eat. But before that, let's have you make... Do I want that to be a function, actually? You know what? Your sibling out here, I forget who, as always. Yes, you. Maybe you should just make coal instead. Yeah. And then drop it there. And I'm gonna take these and move out of the way, please, so I don't feed this to you. And you... Yeah, let's make it a function. Create steel plates bar. Yeah, plates. And to do that, we need to do things in rather a roundabout way. Kind of. We need to make steel, and then drop the steel, and then make steel again, pick up the first steel, and then turn that into a steel plate, and then hand it in. It's a big to-do, but first off, no. First off, we need to get fire, and then we need to get some iron, and then combine those, and then drop that to, let's say, here. I said, let's say there. And then... Wait... No, I was thinking if we couldn't make a really stupid repeat by having you do that again. And then, no, it's better to just repeat it, I think. Not entirely sure, however. There, and then combine that, and then find and pick up steel, and then combine that, and then drop it, and then idle. And you want to drop it there. Yes. Get fire, get iron, burn that into steel, drop it off, then get more fire, and then pick up some more iron, combine that, and then pick up more steel, combine the two steel into a plate, and then drop it. Right, yeah. Yes. Or not? Oh, right, no, never mind. This is just a function. I haven't actually told him to use the function yet. There. And we also need to turn to there. Create plates, eat, idle. There, thank you. Oh, you ran out of energy again. Probably while you were trying to eat. Yes. But now, yes, you're automating the eating of it. Very nice, very good. And then you drop that there. And then you apparently... No, yeah, right. Yeah, you're getting fire, which is good. And you're eating, but you didn't. I think you should, though. Just saying. Other things we have here is paint, edible paint, which means these can eat it, and then they turn blue, for instance, yes. Or you can combine it with white paint or yellow paint to create light blue, for instance. And there, and eat again, please. You're all kind of dumb, actually. Or me, no, you're as smart as I can make you. But blue is working kind of all right. Right, let's see, we still haven't that, so let's see if we can't speed this up. Stop dragging the whole thing. This is a bit of an annoyance. left click and drag lets you move the entire map. You can also use W, A, S, and D. However, if there is something on the ground, you also left click to drag that. And every once in a while, you will accidentally drag the wrong thing. So get you some food. Let's get in. No, not right. No, there. You're about. Yeah. The timing just isn't good yet for these guys. Thankfully, we can make that a little bit better soon. Yeah, of course. You were running out of energy and still you're making fire. Which is odd. Hold on. That's plates, not really the thing. Get fire. Get over here. Yeah, that's really quick though. And you can also see to the lower right how much energy this action takes. And finding that takes 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So 1, 2, 2.5 energy. 2.5 energy for all that. And then to drop that off is 0.2. And then here, it doesn't cost any energy to check your energy. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Yeah, it's now 0.2 for eating. Nice. It should work. Odd. Maybe it's because it's in a function. It's maybe taking up... Hold on. If I do that, how much do you take? 0.5. Okay, so I was thinking maybe if it's in a function it takes more energy, but no, that wasn't the case at all. Odd. And you have 16 energy left. Let's see how you do with that. Oh, never mind. You weren't doing the thing I was thinking you were doing. But now we're done with that. And we can pause you. Drag you over there. There. And now we have 2 more. Nice. In fact, Uvu the Strong, I believe you are the one creating... Yes, good. I'm going to make that into a function. Create food. And there. Wait. Copy. Paste. Why didn't I think of that earlier? There. Easy. And we can replace all of that. Just delete. Go like so. Then eat if you need to. And I would like you to copy over to you. And you. Done. Create food, eat, idle. Everything's good. I need to tell you to start moving though. And you are not doing anything right now. We need glass. Also, yes, hello, hi. I think it's paused now. That's paused. It does pause. Nice. Counters. Energy compare, I think, is the one I absolutely want. That will remove the need to worry, really, because now if we check you, when you go to eat, instead of checking just if the energy is low, I want to actually check compare energy instead. And with that, I actually get to set how much energy I would like you to check for. Let's see if you have 50. And if you have... Right. Here's an inconsistency, let's say. To make that, and just get rid of you. Less, equal, or more than 50. But if we compare counts, there, let's say the count of stuff in this one here. It's more, equal, or less. More is on top, less is on the bottom. Here it's less is on top and more is on the bottom. I feel like those should be switched a little bit. But anyway, go over there. If it's more than 50, we don't actually need to do anything, so we're just gonna go straight away out. If it's less or equal than 50, equal to 50, we want to eat, and we want to eat twice. So that's going to give us roughly 50 energy. That should fix everyone starving. I think. Maybe. Now we have you, and you're not doing anything. You need to create glass. And we did that by burning soil and then burning the... burning the sand that is created after that. So we need to get fire, and then we need to pick up some, there you are, and then combine you. However, then we hold in our hand some sand, and we need both hands to get more fire. So let's figure out how to make a storage box. Steel plate and glass. We don't have any more of those, so let's burn some stuff. There. Thank you. And then we have glass. And we combine them into another box. And should I just make a function called get glass or make glass? Yeah. Yeah. There's the input. Let's start by getting some fire, then some soil, combining those, and then dropping that off here. Yes, this is going to be sand now. And then we get more fire. And then we pick up some more soil. No, we don't. We pick up some sand, and then we combine those. And then we drop that there. It's a no. There. We just combine them. And we do all of that. Oh. Delete. Create glass. Now we're holding glass, and then we drop it off there. And then we eat. Good. You do that. After you. This could have been bad. Throw it up. Wow. You're all kind of annoying me. But it's fine. Eat that, eat that. Thank you. When you're handcrafting things, it might be a good idea to pause first. Also, hello. Oh, you are... What? Hold up. What are you doing? You don't even know what you're doing. Okay, fine. Reset. Have fun. There. Good. There. And you are making Sand. Very good. You just made that. Good. You're handing that in. Glass. And in you go. Right. Compare objects. Counters. Right. We can repeat things now for a set number of times. Let's look at that a little bit. There we go. Because we can use it in our eat function by... Oh, everything got moved around a little bit. Let's say... Oh, accidentally added 2. Right. If we have less than 50 energy, go... Oh, probably should pause before we do this, otherwise they will break. Go like so, into this repeat function. Like that. And then we want to repeat it twice. And when we repeat, we go here. And when we end, we go here. And this is why I want the more to be on the top. But after that, we go here. Which is not looking very pretty, but it'll have to do. There. It's wonky, but it'll work. So now it'll repeat. Oh, it'll eat 4 times now if I do this, so let's not. Hello? There. Why can't I drag you? Is it because there's an error in there? I'm just going to delete you then, if you're going to be like that. But anyway, yes, it's now going to repeat this section twice instead of, you know, explicitly doing it, I suppose. But that's good, that's good. And then what else do we have? We can check energy, we have functions. Variables would be nice to go over as well. But to do that, we need to finish the glass first. Thankfully, we have a lot of fire over here, so that's fine. There, that's half of them. You I don't need. Someone will pick that up, I'm sure. You know, it is possible we could make this even quicker. Not exactly quicker, that's not the right word, but if we somehow could store fire in a box, that should make things a little bit simpler. There, we have another box. We'll put that there, and you go there. And, oh, that actually finished it. That's good. We have a point. So let's use variables now. Yeah. Oh, you don't need to continue doing that anymore. Thank you, though. You're silly. You know what? I'm just going to use that to make another box. There. And you are going to get fire now. Instead, there, and you're going to drop it there. And then you're going to try to eat. Yes. But we can now use variables. So let's see. We want to put the dropping of the thing into our function. Like so. But we want this to be different for every Craftomate. And how to do that, you go into the Functions tab and then you add an input here. And you drag that there. And if we, for instance, have Silly who's making fire, but we don't want it to drop here now. 17, yes, that's you. Just stop you there. Go into variables here, drag this, go like so, and then here we set this. Now, when the Silly goes into getting fire, they will remember this variable. And it will go in here into this drop to. So it will become personalized for the Silly. And they're going to drop it there. However, this means I need to do this for everyone. So you are using which one? Ah, that one over there. So we go like so. Remember that. Remove. Create food. That's fine. Maybe you should create fire as well. Just because. Although, now that I think about it, like, we probably need food more than we need fire. Maybe? It'll simplify things later. Probably. And there. Get fire, and you are using that one. Fine. There. The heat, that's fine. It's yours. Got it. Get fire here doesn't have a variable. That's interesting. It should have been updated. Maybe it's because the game is paused. It's fine. There. And then, yeah, same with you. Interesting. Oh, there. And it's you. That should be all of them. You're creating food. I think you can keep doing that. And then you're also creating food. Make fire. And drop it. Right there. So we have two people making fire and dropping it here. And everyone else is making fire and dropping it in their bonfires. Eventually... Oh, hello? Yes. There, and then restart. I'm just gonna put that. Oh, hello. Whoa. What's going on here? One of you is stuck. You is stuck. Also, I said pause. You're holding and you are... You don't... Yes. It's because I haven't reset your program yet. You don't know where to drop it. 00 isn't a map coordinate you can get to. So we need to reset you and then go like so. Hello, you should be fine. There, drop that. And you reset as well. And then we have you. Sauce the Skinny. We need magnets. And that's rather easy to make, actually. So, well, we can make that a function too, of course. Make magnet. And first we get fire. And then we find and pick some iron. And then we combine that. And then we find and pick some more iron. And then we combine that. And there you go. Make magnet. And everyone seems to be eating and doing everything they're supposed to, so that's nice. Right. After that, I would like you to drop the magnet right there. And then go to idle. Hello. And you... Why not? We can never have too many boxes. Right. Well, the bonfires aren't all that great. They extinguish really fast. But eventually, we get seeds, which you can use to create trees, which gives you wood, and you can then create... Let's see, I think we're supposed to have a furnace somewhere here. Storage, that's great. Charged plates. 14 fire, that's nice. Water. This is ice. Don't remember what that is though. But we get a furnace later that we can burn wood in that lasts a lot longer, so you don't have to refill it as often. Also, wait, didn't we get counters, by the way? Hello, pause. And we can then... You know what? Kind of. Hold up. Because we have 16 fire here. That's more than we need. Ever. So if we compare a count of this one here, for instance, or this one here. No, that's not going to be very useful, but it's fine. We compare the count. If we don't need to worry about that. Fine, there. It'll be reset anyway later. If there is a less than, let's say, 10, then we make some fire and put it in there. If there's more, we don't really need to do anything. Let's say. There. If it's equal, we also don't need to do anything. I think. It doesn't really work for this one, but it will make them make more food, which we do need. So I think that's fine. And because I changed it in the function, it means it's gonna work for everyone else who's feeding bonfire. Oh, hello. What are you worried about? Make magnet. Oh, you never picked up fire. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Because you... Skinny, hello. Right, fine. Let's get you proper fire then. But you want to drop the fire. That's bad. Fine. Instead of getting fire the old-fashioned way, you are now going to try and pick it up. Although it's not great because you're gonna pick from the nearest bonfire. But that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. And then make magnet. Get fire. Oh, it's there. Yeah, that doesn't work. Fine. I guess we put it in here. There, done. If you cannot find a fire, I guess you're gonna have to make it the old-fashioned way. No, wait, hold on. Yeah, no. That works. Get fire. And we would like add input right there. and then you return to this, which is gonna look wonky, but fine. So, when you try to make a magnet, you're gonna try to find fire. If you find fire, you then combine it with some iron to make steel, and then combine the steel with iron to make a magnet, and that's fine. If you cannot find a ready fire from this place here, then you go in the normal way, and then you're gonna put it, let's see, variable, right, like so. You're gonna put it in this one. And fine, that's gonna work like so. And then you have a magnet. So you just drop it right there. Yeah. Took a while to get there, but we did get there eventually. And now you don't know what you're doing because I messed up things for you. Yeah, you're just going to take the nearest fire you can get, which is fine. And now you made a magnet. Hello? What's up with you? You're stuck doing something. Output 1. That's odd. That means you should be here with eating. Except it didn't really work for you, huh? Alright, let's see if resetting... There. No, it didn't. Ah, I see what the problem is. There are 12 fires in here. And... yeah, you go to this, check if there's more than enough fire in there. If there is more than enough fire, you check if you need to eat, but you have, how much? 73 energy, so you're just looping around, which isn't ideal. So if that happens, I mean, I don't like you just repeating the same thing over and over and over again. I guess you could just do a compare count? No. You could compare, like, check the count, how many fires there are in there, and if there are indeed too many, then you create fire and put it in here instead. That could work. Or maybe you just make food instead? But if I change that in the function, it's going to change it for everyone. Which I suppose is fine. Yeah. And, I mean, I think we can make a little bit of a recursion here. Oh, yes. Fine. Go like that. That's weird, but alright. And you're gonna go like so. Get fire and drop to there, I think. Hold up. Oh, right, you're already in here. No, this doesn't work. I mean, it could. It's just not great. It doesn't spark joy, let's say. So instead, yeah, let's just have you make a fire. The old-fashioned way. There. Combine it with coal as usual, and then drop it right there, and then off you go. Yeah. There we have more magnets. Good. Oh, yeah, you don't know what to do now. None of you do. Wait, why are you all repeating the same thing over and over and over again? Also, why are you dying? Hold up. Did I forget to... I think I maybe forgot to combine them, yes. That's silly. There. Now it should work. Except everyone is just not... Just drag it all in there. And reset you. Take both of those and go in like so. Now. Right. Wait, that means all of them... Wait, 13, 13, 7, 3... Oh, and you... You're also stuck at the moment. Oh, and you... Oh, thanks for that. Eat. Did you forget how to eat? Oh, I never taught it to you. Oops. So, yes, Automated Confusion is the name of the game, but it feels kind of rewarding as well. And there's a lot to find out. We even have a brewery, which not really sure what happens when you feed a robot alcohol, but I'm sure it will be hilarious. And if this game seems like your jam, there's a link in the description for you. And if not, I hope you still enjoyed the video. So, with all of that said and done, ladies, gentlemen, and you beautiful in-betweens, I've been Calmputer, this has been Craftomation 101, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll tune in next time.